Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed breakdown of the HP NB13 No. In this video, we will explore the steps necessary to diagnose and repair this laptop, focusing on both internal and external components. Let's dive in. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or components. To begin, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the 10 Phillips screws located at the bottom. Keep track of these screws as they can be easily misplaced. Next, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips or cables inside. Once the back cover is removed, you will have access to the internal components. Now, let's inspect the battery and connections. If you notice any bulging or swelling in the battery, it's crucial to replace it immediately. Disconnect the battery by unscrewing the two screws holding it in place and gently lifting it out. If you're unsure about handling it yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, check the RAM slots. Remove the RAM modules by pulling the clips on either side. Inspect for any dust or debris and clean the slots with compressed air. If your laptop isn't booting, reseating the RAM can often solve the issue. If you encounter any other problems, such as overheating or performance issues, cleaning the internal fans and heatsinks is essential. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust that may have accumulated. This will improve airflow and cooling efficiency. If you need assistance with this process, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. After cleaning, reassemble the laptop by reversing the steps we took to disassemble it. Ensure that all screws are tightened properly, and double-check that all connections are secure. If the laptop still doesn't function correctly, there may be more serious issues at play, such as motherboard failure or a damaged display. In such cases, it's best to consult with professionals who can offer a quote before repair. Remember, no calls, no travel, we make it easy for you. Once you have reassembled your laptop, power it on and monitor its performance. If everything is functioning normally, congratulations on your successful diagnosis and repair. However, if you face ongoing issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. In summary, diagnosing and repairing the HP NB13 No involves thorough inspection and careful handling of internal components. If you're uncomfortable performing these tasks, our services are here for you. Whether it's a professional diagnosis or pickup and delivery at your home, we're just a click away. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.